want to have a look at my inputs and split the inputs up. So the input vector will be fed straight into this script from another script. I need to set that up really. Arming and ahhing. Great. Layer. Input. Controller. Okay, so we're going to be emulating, well, we're going to be doing exactly all this stuff. So pretty much everything except the transform rotation. Inputs. So I'm going to be using the inputs here. Even comment all that out, and that's not affecting. So at the start, needs to send the ship, populate you, wait, 80, gosh, populate the variables. And feeding inputs to the ship. Okay, instantiated ship. So for now, we're just going to put it in a variable. So public ship object type game object. Okay, so let's just say we instantiate it and we have our ship object. So we need our ship script. That's going to probably be private. So I'm just going to leave it public so I see it's working. So this just will typecast to ship movement. So I assume it's instantiated, and then equal ship object dot get component ship movement. Okay, so the ship script becomes populated, and then we give it all the variables. Okay, so ship script dot all this stuff. Move speed equals move speed. 1, 2, 3, and it's inverted. It only gets used in the calculation, so we even comment that out. We should have no problems. Okay. So yeah, and then we're going to constantly be feeding an input vector. So we give it these 4 variables. The idea is for each player, or especially if we go for the NPC one, bell goes away. Then we can have different variables. So if I had an MPC input controller and I could have different variables here, and then when the MPC gets a ship, it could feed its personal rotational speeds and its move speed to that ship. So for example, even if we said our movement starting at 10, we're going to be moving this time as soon as it comes out. Get component ship movement, give it all the variables, start feeding inputs into the let's get inputs. So we have start feeding inputs to the ship. Give inputs to the ship. So ship script dot. I haven't given it input back though. It's exactly going to be that line right there. Let's just initialize that. Alright, so that's initialized. Everything's final. Ships, that one. So every update we get our inputs and then we give it straight to the ship. And then nothing should change there. Okay, so ship of sorts, ship movement. Fair enough, we're just going to give it to it, aren't we? So we need anti-aim object. Zero out. Player manager. Okay, where's our player input controller? So our ship object, our ship script should be filled automatically. So the ship object, we're going to instantiate it once it's on the network. But now we're just going to give it to it and see if everything's working for the controls. Okay, nothing exploded. And I still have my shift movement. Transfer the controls over. Great.